After the Brexit vote, it's been all about political risk in Europe. The pound just plunging right now, falling now for a third session after a brief rally. How are you playing this?
Like you just said, it's really plunging right now. But is it plunging more on political rhetoric, like you just talked about, or just because there really is something else there that we need to look at? So I'm looking at this area right here of 126 or so in the FXB, which is the British Pound ETF, and it's almost an area of a no man's land, almost like it's marooned on an island somewhere. But you can look here, and there's some really good upside reward to risk option plays. So I'm looking out to August options, and if I look out there, the option market is pricing in about a $6 to $7 move in FXB. Now that could be to the downside as well, but the reward to risk on the upside right now is fantastic. So what I'm looking to do is buy some upside call spreads, perhaps even the 129, 133 call spread. So it's $4 wide going out to August expiration. I can do that for about $1, maybe even a little bit less than that. My reward to risk on that, I know I can only lose $1. So if the British pound doesn't rally, if FXB doesn't rally, okay, I know what my maximum loss is. But if we get that move that the option market is expecting, and if it's to the upside, this thing is going to go to about 133, and my maximum gain on this spread is $4.
Scott, so we are seeing the FXB now plunging. We haven't seen it at these levels in a very long time, I think forever, since 2006. So are you saying that we are bottoming out now?
What I'm seeing here is, like I said, it's kind of in a little bit of no man's land. But after the quick and violent moves that we saw, both to the upside and to the downside, after the sharp high volume we saw, I'm seeing a lot of consolidation here. I'm seeing a base starting to get in. So, maybe it trades down a little bit lower than here, but the technicals are telling me, just from what I'm seeing right now in the way the trade is going, is that there is a bottom perhaps forming right here. And again, my trade is all based on the reward to risk. And it seems like the whole world is taking the short side of the pound and short side of FXB, and that's why the reward to risk is so great to the upside, and that's what I'm going to do.
Scott, Goldman, Deutsche, Citigroup, they're calling for sterling to sink another 7 to 11%. Your call on the currency?
You know what? I'm not going to discount what they're saying. In my trade, my trade is not necessarily, where is this going to be 9 months from now? Where is it going to be 3 months from now? This is strictly an opportunistic option play of where this thing could go in the next 4 to 6 weeks. So do I say, Goldman and Deutsche Bank are they wrong that this thing could go down to 110? No, but the opportunity is there to really make a very nice trade to the upside in the very short run here.